Alright everyone, today we are gonna create this amazing list versus array. That is the most important demanded video in this channel. We yesterday talking about this class. Now we are ready to start this class. Now we are talking about this list and array. List is a homogeneous and array is homogeneous, sorry for that, and list non. Okay, let's try. You don't ever understand. Let's create to this create, access, edit, add, delete operation you can do. Okay, list versus array. When we create a list array, sorry for that, we define the memory size like this, like 50. We need to 50 or another else any number we define. But when you use this list, we not defined it any memory storage, so you can add unlimited number. That is good for better than array. Okay, let's try. List characterize. Let's see. When you want to create, that is a simple. You can create a list. Is a complex list. There is string, integer, boolean, or complex number. Here is the 2D. Is a 2D list. There is a most is a 3D list. You can create this type of 3D list, and the access, here is the access. If you want to see the list, and if you want to reverse this list, you just create this code and you can reverse it, and you can search, index, edit, or you can add list like append using extend. Like you want to add some area like this type, and there is, and you can delete the list. When you delete the list, is not never again pinned because you already deleted, so it's deleted, it's gone. And you use the pop is randomly delete any list item. And here is the operation. You can arithmetic, membership, or also loop. You can also use the loop. That is funny, but it is so useful, I don't think. You can arithmetic using this way, you can add, or you can use that way using loop. And that is in is a if for in the is a false because of they search in this. If you want to search in this, you just go in there and go in 1 is like a 0, and this is a 1 a list. And the function is the length, min, max, and you sort it. You can sort it. The length is the 4 length, is the mean is the 1, and the max is the 4, and sort it. If you want to sort it, sort. If you want to reverse, you just reverse it. And simple today has been great for me because that is the split. If you want to split, this is the tax is another way. You see this, the split it. And the simple upper today has been great for me. And you carried is this upper using the upper, and here is the upper is the b. If you want to this one, then you can also use this loop function. It's lot feel like this complex, but it's easy to understand. That is the for loop. And range is length, it's x. It means this is reverse this time 1 2 0, like the 0 1 2 3 4 5 times is going to 5 times. And is this index 1, x is the I, is the index 1 is upper, and this the reverse in this way. So that is the today has been great for me. Just want to, if you this tax, and this tax is the 1 in the 0 index is this, and this is the upper, and just plus, and this another this all this index, and there is the okay. Let's do another way. There's the same code. I think you understand that. Now if you want to like name is an email, if you want to not like this email, then you just cut it. Okay, that is the simple text. And here is the list versus tuple. Is important. If you know, you need to know about the list versus tuple. List is a mutable and tuple is immutable. It's mean you can't change in tuple, but you can change in list. This is the here is the, and spread is slow list because you can change it, and this fast is immutable, and higher and lower memory, so it's better. So function and the arrow pony and this people, save, use case, list, dynamic, and statics. You can see this. Okay, here we go. If you want to create a list, let's see. You just sometimes travel the list and range, want to change this time and tuple, and there is this. The time consumed is almost same, but list is fast. You can see. All right, and here are the another. It's called size, memory size. You can see this. Tuple is consumed. Array is append. Why use tuple? Is immutable provide, like you want to create something like that someone's not changed, that reason you need to use the tuple set. Okay, last I think we just covered this the basic Python today, and then we go to op o double. Okay, let's go to the set. Set is a like you can duplicate using set. Okay, you can duplicate at anything, and there is a 2D set, is a 1D set. I show you, and you can create this type set, and you can this type is a type conversation duplicate. You can add duplicate in set. I already said you, and there is this complex set, and this is the list. You can add in list and set. So there is but you can tuple because of tuple is unchanged, so you can change list. I hope you understand. And access, how you can access, just type the list name, this set name, and you can. Then another way is the dictionary. I hope you understand set. Now is dictionary is also so easy. And here is this dictionary. If you just create this name, my name is this, my age is this, my gender is this, and you this use this, and that way you just create and say this type way, like my name, and name is the key, and value is my name, and gender. That way you can create this type. You can key in the list. Okay, just understand. Access, you can access this way, and you can create 2D dictionary. I hope you understand. And here is the edit. You can edit the list anyway. You can add, you can delete this. You already delete. As a pop, you can anything in the remove brand only. Operation, you can use operation in dictionary. Like if you want to see the dictionary value, just using for loop, you can find all the value. At this function is a len, and dictionary is comprehensive. So I hope this understand the video. We just need to end this video today. I hope you love that, and we see you again tomorrow. Now we need to end this video. Then goodbye. I hope you love this.